Okay, Ben, here is a quick little explanation of scale factors and scales. So, scale is the ratio of the measurements. The units can be different on it. You can say, 1 inch equals a mile, 6 inches is, 4 feet, whatever. The units are different. When you get to a scale factor, though, then the value, it deals with the value of the ratio. It's like we did at the beginning of the chapter, you deal with doing the division. But the big thing is that the units have to be the same. So you have to be doing inches over inches or something like that. And we go with whatever units are in the numerator, whatever the units are for the model. So, for example, let's say we had a model that was 10 inches and the actual height of the whatever it is of the model is 30 feet. And we always compare model to actual. So we can set up our ratio, 10 inches to 30 feet. And then we want to get it down to the scale, so we have a numerator of 1. More often than not, the scale has a numerator of 1. If you look at map scales, most of the time it's 1 inch equals this, or something, 1 centimeter equals this, or something like that. So what do we do to 10 to get it to 1? We divide by 10. Well, if you divide a numerator by 10, then you divide the denominator by 10. So 30 feet divided by 10 is 3 feet. So that means for every inch equals 3 feet. That's your scale. But if you need to find the scale factor, now you need to make the denominator units match the numerator ones. So we need to turn our feet into inches. So if we're going feet to inches, we multiply by 12. And then inches to feet, if we had to do that, which we're not, you would divide by 12. So we take our 3 feet from up here, multiply it by 12 to say, okay, there's 36 inches. Then we put it under 1, so 1 over 36. Same units, so we don't write them, and we say that's our scale factor. If for some reason you had some kind of fraction there, then you would do a little multiplication, or do the division, which is multiplying by the reciprocal, and simplify. But most of the things you're seeing, it should just come out, you convert your feet to inches or inches to feet and stick it underneath in the denominator. So hopefully that clears some stuff up for you. Let me know if you have more questions.